Hi, my name is Vicki. Welcome to the California Native Garden. Did you know that most plants are native to someplace? They're native because they are used to the soil and it gives them benefit. Do you see a pond in the native garden? Surprise, it's not a pond. It's called a bioswale and it collects water to use for plants that live in it. Read the informational sign to learn all about it. Plants in this garden are native to Southern California, which means they love our warm, dry climate. That's why they grow well here and don't need much extra water or care. Behind the butterfly pavilion is the coastal sage scrub habitat. Look closely at plants' leaves, bend down and smell them. What do these plants have in common? How might they attract pollinators? Why do you think their leaves and flowers might open and close at different times of the day? Don't forget to explore the bridge. Look for plants like the taro tree with its own armor. How does this help the tree? As you travel down the path, please look and see how all the gardens connect, from the formal garden to the sensory garden. Thank you.